me some money.
Let's do some more pronunciation today. Let's practice making a TH sound. The TH sound may be new for you, but it's not difficult. Before we practice, let's look at the shape our mouth will make. We're going to place our tongue between our teeth like this. This. Got it? Let's try a practice sentence. This month is my brother's birthday. This month is my brother's birthday. Here's a tip. When the TH sound comes in the middle of a word, you can just push your tongue through your teeth and then pull it right back. Watch as I say the last two words from our practice sentence. Brother's birthday. You don't need to close your teeth on your tongue. Just push it through and pull it back. With a little practice, you'll have it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.